Dear customer, here I would like to show you the wire connection between our brushless DC motor and the BLDC controller. And here we can see the specification of the motor first. The rated power is 100 and the voltage is 48 and the speed is 3000 RPM. And here we can see the wire from the motor first. This is the phase wire. There are 3 UVW and there is the connector. We connect to the driver directly, and this wire is the Hall sensor wire. So there are 5 wires together per our size drawing. So also the wire is connected to the white connector, and also we can see here this is the wire from the power supply, and the red one is positive, the black one is negative. Because the rated voltage for the motor is 48, we can see the voltage from the power supply is 48. Also here, for this controller, it supports RS485 communication. So here we can see 5 wires connect to this connector and also wire to the laptop. So we can use the software to control the controller, then start and stop the motor, and also change the speed of the motor. Okay, we just show you a simple operation for the brushless DC motor and the controller. Power on. Here we can see the motor is running. Increase the speed, we can choose the 3000 RPM. Here we can see right now speed is increasing. Stop. Okay, change to another direction. Yeah. All these simple options we can use the software on the laptop, so our technical engineer will provide support for you after sales. Thank you.